Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to add Bootstrap to Angular. In order to do that, let's just create our Angular app using ng command. As you can see, I have just created this. The app is called Tutorial, and to get started, let's just run it on a local server using the command of npm run start. Hit enter and wait for it until the process is complete. Alright, as you can see, the project is being served on this local host. Let me just copy the link and let's go to my browser. Okay, this is the Angular default layout, as you can see. So in order to change all this, let's just head toward our app, and inside source folder and inside the app folder, open the app component.html. As you can see, all the layouts and styles and stuff are implemented right here. So let's just get rid of all of it. Okay, let me just add a title, an H1 tag, something like add Bootstrap to me. Okay, Control S, let's take a look. Alright, I just misspelled Bootstrap. Let me just modify it. Perfect. Alright, but how we can actually use Bootstrap to style our web pages in an Angular app? Let's just open a new tab and search for Get Bootstrap. The first link that comes up is getbootstrap.com. Let's click on this. Here you can use Bootstrap documentations and API, and let's just go on the top, on the nav bar, and click on Docs. And as you can see, there is a quick tutorial right here of how you can use Bootstrap documentations in your projects. But the one that we need is just right here. We need this link and this script tag. But where should we actually add this to our Angular app? Let's go to our Angular app and open our source folder. And inside source folder, there's a file called index.html. Let's just open it. And index.html is actually where we should add our globally styled things and all the libraries that are going to be used globally in our app. So Bootstrap is one of them, and it had to be installed right here. Let me just copy this link and add it to our head tag in index.html. Paste it here. And we have to do the same for the script tag as well. Let me just copy it. Paste it here. And make sure to add this defer after script, unless it won't work. Let's just save it and take a look. Okay, refresh the page, and as you can see, the font has changed, and this font is actually Bootstrap default font, and it means that Bootstrap has been added to the project. But in order to see a better example, let me just look for some better layout, something like a table or something. Let me just search for it. A table. Click on overview. And here you can see there are lots of Bootstrap classes and styles for tables, and you can use them in your projects. Let me just try something. Let me just try one of them. Well, let's go with the first one and copy the code. And inside our Angular app, we have to paste this in our app.components.html file. Let me just paste it. Okay. Click Ctrl S and take a look at your browser. Okay, as you can see, the style is actually the one that we just saw in Get Bootstrap, which means Bootstrap is actually doing its job. And if I just go back to our app and comment out the links I just added and take another look at the browser and refresh the page, you can see it's totally off style, which means these links are actually the key to accessing the Bootstrap API in our Angular app. Let's go back to Get Bootstrap and try some other class. This one sounds actually pretty cool. Let me just copy it. We have to add this class to our table tag in app.component.html. Let me just paste it here. Okay, Control S, and let's take a look. The style is implemented right here, and sounds actually pretty cool.